Hello to Wild Speaking Part 1. Today's topic is about sports, and as we begin with the vocabulary. Dispute, debate or argument. Verba, in forms of words. Rivals, competitors or opponents. Recall, remember. Unfortunate, bad, regrettable. Took place, happened. Agitated, feeling or appearing troubled. Incident, an event. Revamp, renew or rebuild. Today's question is there any violence at sporting events in your country? Now with the model answer. Generally speaking, such violence is very rare in my country. However, a dispute among fans are quite common, and most of the time they are verbal than physical. They often take social networking platforms and blogs to criticize their rivals. I can, however, recall a very unfortunate event that took place probably 3 or 4 years ago when the fans of two competing teams got agitated and 3 people died due to this incident, while several others were critically injured. The security of the stadium has been revamped to address such unexpected events, and hopefully it wouldn't happen again.